Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Focus with Rekha Sharma. Unlock the power of English with my engaging and easy to follow educational videos. Designed specifically for beginners. My series covers everything from basic grammar to enhancing your fluency. Whether you want to speak confidently or write correctly, these videos provide the essential tools and techniques you need. So join me on this exciting journey to mastering English and start communicating with clarity and confidence today. Today's title is Improve Your English Speaking Skills 4 Effective Techniques for Beginners. So my name is Rekha Sharma. Let's get started. Technique number 1. Summarize something in your own words. How to summarize? What does it mean? It means retelling the content in your own words in short, focusing only on the key points. आपने कोई पैसेज पढ़ा, आपने कुछ ऑडियो क्लिप सुना और फिर उस कंटेंट को आपने दोबारा अपने शब्दों में बताया शॉर्ट में और आपने फोकस किया सिर्फ मेन पॉइंट्स पर. एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड समराइज समथिंग इन योर वर्ड्स. Steps to follow: you can choose a passage or you can listen to a short audio clip. After that, you have to read a passage very carefully. You have to listen to a short audio clip very carefully. You have to identify the key points, the main points of the content, and then retell the same content in short, in your own words, focusing on the key points only. Okay? By practicing summarizing, you can improve your ability to understand the content and you can remember the key information. You can convey information effectively. And this technique will improve your ability to express ideas clearly and concisely. For example, suppose you have read this news article. The article is Climate Change is Causing Severe Weather Patterns That Impact Agriculture. Farmers are struggling to adapt these changes. Focusing on the key point. तो आप कैसे बोलेंगे? You can summarize the passage in the following way. Climate change is affecting farming with severe weather. So this is called summarize something in your own words. You try this technique and this technique is going to help you a lot. So what you have learned from this technique? You learn to express the same idea using different words and sentence structures. Make sure the main idea remains the same. So this technique can improve your comprehension, your retention. It can enhance your clarity, brevity in speaking. It builds your confidence in summarizing complex information. So by practicing summarizing, you can improve your ability to understand and convey information effectively. Let's move on to our next technique. The next technique is practicing impromptu speech. Just a minute or jam. What does it mean? It means to speak on a topic, on a given topic, without any preparation for 1 minute. Okay? And it's a fantastic way to build your confidence and your quick thinking. You learn to organize your thoughts logically. So this technique is also equally beneficial. What are the steps to follow? You will pick a random topic. कोई सा भी टॉपिक आप ले लीजिए. Or you can have someone to give. You can ask someone to give you any topic. Then you will set a timer for 1 minute. You will start speaking continuously on the topic for 1 minute. Okay? After that, you will review. You can review by recording yourself, by listening to the playback to identify areas for improvement. तो इसके लिए आपको क्या करना है? आप कोई भी एक रैंडम टॉपिक ले लीजिए, कोई भी टॉपिक जो आपने बोला ही ना हो पहले, कोई भी टॉपिक ले लीजिए या किसी को कह सकते हैं कि आपको कोई टॉपिक दे दें और फिर आपने एक अपना टाइमर सेट कर लिया 1 मिनट के लिए और आप उस टॉपिक पर बोलना शुरू करते हैं एंड यू स्टार्ट स्पीकिंग कंटिन्यूसली फॉर 1 मिनट. And then after that you review, you can identify your areas for improvement. This technique helps you think quickly and articulate your thoughts without preparation. आपको अगर अपनी इंग्लिश में थिंकिंग इम्प्रूव करनी है तो ये टेक्निक आपकी बहुत हेल्प करेगी. And you can put your thoughts without preparation. It will prepare you for any real life situation. It builds your confidence in public speaking and impromptu situations. कोई भी situations आ जाए, real life situations आ जाए, you are ready to speak. If you practice this technique, you learn to organize your thoughts quickly and present them clearly. So this technique is equally beneficial for you. For example, you choose the topic, the benefits of exercise or workout. So what are the value points you can use? Regular exercise is a wonderful habit. It improves physical and mental health. It increases your stamina and boosts your mood, refreshes your mind. It helps in weight management and relieves stress. It reduces the risk of chronic diseases. So you can try it. So regular practice with impromptu speech can significantly boost your speaking skills and help you become more articulate and confident in any situation. Now let's move on to the next technique. Technique number 3. Preparing and using cheat sheets. क्या होती हैं cheat sheets? It means a concise guide, a quick reference tool to help you practice specific situations and build your vocabulary and confidence in speaking. एक तरीके से आप एक गाइड प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं. आप उस गाइड में की फ्रेजेस नोट कर रहे हैं, वोकैबुलरी नोट कर रहे हैं, सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर्स नोट कर रहे हैं जो डिफरेंट रियल लाइफ सिचुएशंस में आपको यूज़ करनी है. सो इट्स ए काइंड ऑफ क्विक रेफरेंस टूल टू हेल्प यू प्रैक्टिस एंड इम्प्रूव योर स्पीकिंग स्किल्स. हाउ टू प्रिपेयर a cheat sheet. What are the steps to follow? Focus on common topics or situations. You have to identify key areas. किस टॉपिक और किस सिचुएशन के लिए आपको चीट शीट प्रिपेयर करनी है, पहले वो माइंड में क्लियर होना चाहिए. आफ्टर दैट यू विल गैदर अ लिस्ट ऑफ यूजफुल फ्रेजेज एंड वर्ड्स रिलेटेड टू द टॉपिक और रिलेटेड टू द सिचुएशंस. आपने एक लिस्ट बना लेनी है, फ्रेजेस, वर्ड्स, सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर्स कौन कौन से आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं उस सिचुएशन में, उस टॉपिक के लिए. देन यू विल ऑर्गेनाइज द चीट शीट. कैसे ऑर्गेनाइज करेंगे? अरेंज द फ्रेजेस इन अ लॉजिकल ऑर्डर. आफ्टर दैट you can use this cheat sheet, practice using the cheat sheet during speaking practice sessions. Okay, and then regularly update the cheat sheet with new phrases. तो इस तरीके से जब आपने चीट शीट प्रिपेयर कर ली, लेट मी गिव यू सम एग्जाम्पल्स. सपोज यू हैव प्रिपेयर्ड अ शॉपिंग चीट शीट. यू आर आस्किंग फॉर असिस्टेंस. यू वेंट टू अ मॉल एंड you wanted to purchase something for you. How would you talk? Excuse me, can you help me? I'm looking for item. You can name the item. Do you have this in a different size or color? So in that way you can ask for help. If you want to prepare a cheat sheet for ordering food, you visit a restaurant or a hotel. Suppose you are making a reservation. I would like to make a reservation for 2. You can speak this sentence. Do you have a table available for tonight? Suppose you are ordering food. Then what will you speak? I would like to order. Suppose you are a non-vegetarian, so you can say I would like to order a grilled chicken. Okay? Or if you are a vegetarian, you can speak like this. Can you recommend a vegetarian dish? So cheat sheets are very helpful. Okay? A cheat sheet provides quick reference for essential phrases. In real life situations, in different real life situations, you have to speak in English. Then what are the phrases, what are the words, what are the sentence structures to be used? ये सब जानने के लिए आपको cheat sheet बनानी पड़ेगी. It boosts your confidence in speaking. It enhances your fluency and organization. So, cheat sheets are great tools to help you practice specific scenarios and build your vocabulary and confidence in speaking. Let's move on to the next technique, which is equally important, and the technique is repetition. We can call it shadowing too. Okay. So what does it mean? Shadowing is a technique where you listen to a native speaker and you repeat what they say as accurately as possible. And this helps you improve your pronunciation, intonation and rhythm. सो रेपिटेशन और शेडोइंग टेक्निक में आपने एक नेटिव स्पीकर को सुनना है और रिपीट करना है वो क्या बोल रहे हैं और उतना ही सही बोलना है जैसे वो बोल रहे हैं, जितनी आप कोशिश कर सकते हैं. सो इट मीन्स रिपीट इमीडिएटली आफ्टर द स्पीकर एज सुन एज यू हेयर द सेंटेंस and try to copy the pronunciation, intonation and rhythm. So what are the steps to be followed? The steps are: choose the audio clip and listen to it carefully and understand the content. उसको समझिए भी क्या नेटिव स्पीकर बोल रहे हैं. Then you repeat what you hear immediately and copy the pronunciation and intonation. आपको कॉपी करना है pronunciation को भी. For example, suppose you listen to this audio. Good morning, how can I help you today? And repeat it. Good morning, how can I help you today? How can I help you today? So in that way, you can follow the intonation, you can follow the pronunciation, and you repeat the sentence as closely as you can, and it will boost your fluency. So shadowing is like a conversation with a native speaker, even if they are not physically there. It's a fantastic way to improve your speaking skills. Thank you so much for watching this video. And there you have it. 4 powerful techniques to improve your English speaking skills. By incorporating these techniques into your daily practice, you will see significant improvements in your fluency, pronunciation and overall confidence in speaking English. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips on mastering English. Happy learning!